Discipline keeps us on track and helps you succeed. Yes, from now on I will be more disciplined in class and in life. Well done students. Discipline is not just about rules. It's about self-control, hard work and respect. If you stay disciplined, you will achieve great things in life.
Following rules and regulations, it helps us to become responsible and considerate. Discipline helps individuals achieve their goals. It also builds character and self-control. Through hard work and dedication, without discipline, life becomes unorganized. Therefore, we should always practice discipline in everything we do, as it shapes our character and leads us. Thank you.
Virat, for your message about the importance of discipline. Now let us conclude our assembly